Hey, this is Taylor with the Strikethrough shortcut for Microsoft Word. And there's two different ways to do this on a PC. First off, Home tab. This is the Strikethrough command that we want to use our keyboard shortcuts to get at. So selecting it once will apply the Strikethrough, unselecting it, or selecting a second time, we'll remove it. But we want to use our keyboard shortcuts. So the keyboard shortcuts on a PC is Alt H4. And notice that there's no plus signs here between the keys. So I'm just gonna hit and let go of the Alt key on my keyboard. You're gonna see my ribbon illuminate with a bunch of different letters. I'll hit H for the Home tab, and then I'll hit 4, which will immediately apply that single strike-through effect. All right, so Alt H4 will either apply or remove the strike-through effect depending on Alt H4, whether you already have the strike-through effect applied. Now, another keyboard shortcut you can use, which actually opens up a lot of other different formatting options, is the Control D keyboard shortcut. So in Microsoft Word, Control D will open up your font dialog box. And if you look in your font dialog box, you have your strike-through, double strike-through, subscripts, superscripts. There's another keyboard shortcut for these. You don't have to use this. Anyway, there's a bunch of different options here, but notice these underline letters. So underline K, underline L. So underline K means that I can hold the Alt key on my keyboard and hit K to automatically select strike through and hit enter. All right, so Control D, Alt K, unselect it, hit enter, and you're gonna see that text effect applied. If I wanna do the double strike through, I would Control D on my keyboard, Alt L. All right, if you forget, just look for the underline letter for whatever text effect you want. So Alt L will apply the double strike through. I'll hit enter, and I am good to go.